Yo, we're in the middle of the freaking Rocky Mountains. This man said $50 for Tim to go in that river. Push-ups. Yo, Tim, how cold is it? How cold is it? How cold is it? Hours later, we have finally arrived to Lake Louise. It's Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, everybody. This is the place to be at July 1st, Canada Day. And I'm walking up to Lake Louise right now, man. I'm so freaking excited. What you guys are about to see right now. Whew, this might be a little too much. Might be a little too much, but let's go check this out. You're walking up. And there's a hotel here. This is the Marriott. That must be really expensive to stay here. But this is the famous Lake Louise.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine.
No, I missed it.
Mira, 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 mira la montaña.